The biggest factor for frozen eggs is, there's two factors in that fact. There's the vitrification of the eggs. That's very, very important. You have to have somebody who really knows how to do vitrification and knows how to freeze the eggs properly. But even more importantly might be the warming aspect of it. Since we send our eggs out to clinics, we have to rely on clinics to be able to warm those eggs correctly. We're always looking for ways to make the success rates better. But it's also a very complicated situation. Right now, we don't have a way to just look at an egg and tell if it's got potential, if it's going to be a good egg, other than telling if it's mature or not. So there are some processes that we're looking at now to hopefully pick better eggs to freeze, so the resulting warmed eggs are better eggs. So if we start with a better product, we end up with a better product.
The trend we're seeing to be having since 2017 is that we are going more towards clinics and patients preferring to use frozen eggs. And therefore, the likelihood is that the future is that we would be using frozen eggs from egg banks such as Cryos, and that would give a kind of choice, more choice to the patients and selection for the kind of donors they can have. But also the success rates we're seeing between the frozen eggs and fresh eggs are quite similar nowadays. So it takes away that burden from the patients when they were worried whether frozen eggs would be as successful or not. Cryos egg donors are young ladies that are happy to come forward and assist patients who, unfortunately, due to a number of reasons, may not be able to have their own offspring and using their own eggs. These young ladies have a very strong sense of solidarity with the patients, with other women who may not be able to bear their own children. For this reason, they are actually quite dedicated to the program. They know that they have to invest some time into coming into the egg bank and go through quite a robust screening process, from infectious diseases to genetic diseases and also medical checks that they receive. But we are thankful to them that they invest this time and help to assist other couples to make their dreams come true.